Hey everybody, here's a video that's supposed to help us with our first cooldown. You can check out the cooldown. It is here in Google Classroom under Classwork, Unit 1, Lesson 1 cooldown, next. I've also included the Unit 1, Lesson 1 summary. You can use this to help you understand some of the topics that we learned today. Should show up here in a second. Here it is. It gives us a definition and an explanation. You can read through if you're stuck. I also have the cooldown attached right here. You click it and it should open up your own document. It should look like this. You have these two questions and a chance to assess yourself. To assess yourself, all you got to do is highlight in any color you want how you feel. So maybe you need more help to understand this. You can highlight it in yellow. It would look like that. So I'd know you need more help to understand this topic. I can unhighlight it. There we go. All right, so here I'm going to give us a different example. For me, it says a sequence starts 1, 3. You need to give a rule the sequence could follow and list the next three terms. So for me, I'm thinking, 1, 3, it looks like, simple one, I add by 2. So the simplest rule that I can think of is add 2 the previous term. That one's pretty simple. I'm just adding 2 to the previous term. All right. And then I need to come up with the next three terms. So it goes 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. There is a sequence here. It could continue, so that dot, dot, dot represents that it could continue even further. But I have now listed the three terms and a rule. All right, now it wants us to give a different rule the sequence could follow. Oh no. Well, now I can start thinking differently. Maybe I want my rule to be, let's take 1 and multiply by 3 maybe. Super simple. 1 times 3 is 3. And I could multiply again and I'd get 9. 9 times 3 would be 27. 27 times 3 would be 5481. So my rule this time is multiply the previous term. And there is an example that could help you out with the cooldown. I could include the dot, dot, dot here, show it continues, and believe that I'm done. You have a few ways you could insert it into your document. You could have just typed this one in here. It should work for today's lesson. But some you might have to show some work. You can insert a picture or screenshot. So for me, I could screenshot what I did here and insert it right here. All right, with that said, hopefully this helped you out with working through the cooldown. See you next time.